What's up? Got my little Suzie Homemaker pressure washer out here. Trying to get this a little bit clean before work today. Today we're going to take this engine off this cradle, take this engine off that cradle, put this engine on that cradle, and then put it in that butt. We got this running yesterday reasonably well. It's got a fuel problem, but we're going to replace all the lines anyway. Got the transmission off yesterday. Gonna run it one more time today without the transmission. Set to idle. Keep on going.